Alright y'all, so today we have got a little bit different of a video coming back. We have got a unboxing video of these Fox ATV motocross main goggles. So I've had some goggles for the four-wheeler and the ATV, but they were never really great goggles. And I just need something that was actually purpose-built for riding. So we got these. Came in today. We're going to open it up. We've also got some more parts coming in for the four-wheeler. We've got a piece for the front left shock coming in that was missing that we need. And we had to put a new sprocket and chain setup on there because we just put a case saver, which is something so if your chain breaks, it does not break your engine case. We put that on there and we realized that the front sprocket had a few broken teeth just from normal wear. So we got a new chain, and the back sprocket, we actually went up one tooth so it will have a little bit more low-end torque and power for trail riding and mainly what I'm going to be doing. So let's get right into this right here. So Fox, as you know, is a very well-known ATV motocross brand. Alright. Looks like I got a bag here. It's white, which is kind of awkward because it's going to be around dirty stuff most of the time. But, alright, goggles right here. One, two, 3 tear-off tabs. Feels good. Rubber strip so it stays on the goggles. Feels good. Looks good. 3 layers of foam. Comfortable. Alright, let's see if there's anything else in here. Instructions. I really wish stuff would start sending me stickers. I ordered something the other day and it didn't give me a sticker. I would just like some stickers from things that I order. I don't... Yeah, that didn't really work how I thought it would. I maybe could clean that up and have a little Fox plate, but send stickers, people. Stickers are what people like. We'll just put that back in there. Overall, these goggles feel really great. Let's just put them on, even though I don't have my helmet. They feel good. I probably look funny, like an astronaut. They feel good. They're red to match the helmet and the ATV. So these came in. We've also got some other parts coming in, and we'll do an install on that. This weekend, I'm going to be hanging out with Malcolm. Very exciting stuff happening. Very exciting stuff. Make sure you tune in Tuesday. You do not want to miss that video. It is probably going to be the best one yet. Not giving anything away, but it's going to be great. So, get ready, y'all. Like and subscribe, HFL.